In today's video, I'm going to answer all the questions you could possibly have about this Garvey portable AC unit. We've been using it for about 2 weeks now, and this thing is awesome. Really easy to set up. It comes packaged nicely, no issues with that. One of the things I really like most about this was the ease of setup. We're going to get into all of that. I'm going to show you the control panel here. This thing even comes with a remote, and it's super easy to hook up. You don't need any screws, nails, anything like that. You could either do it in a taller window or just your standard window. We have it in a standard window. I'm going to take you close up and walk you through everything. All right, so here's what it looks like. It's 1,400 BTUs. This could do about a 700 square foot room. This is exactly what the unit looks like. It has this nice little duct right over here. Super easy to set this up. You literally, this will come a separate piece right over here. And then what you do is you screw it right into this duct, slip that on, and you're good to go. This is also a dehumidifier, a fan, and an AC. So we have it hooked up out our window right over here. So you'll see right over here, you get this piece as well. So it's a sliding piece. So what you could do is you could, no matter what window size you have, it will fit in. I'll get you the dimensions on the windows it works in, but it was super easy to set up. You literally just pick which window you want to put it in, and you do that. This is going to be good for living rooms. We have it in our bedroom right now. In terms of the windows, you could use this in, let me see here. You could either do a double hung window or a sliding window. It just really depends. For the sliding window, you get about 20 inches by 39 inches. And then for the single window, it's 20.48 by 39. So those are kind of what you got here. Now, you get a remote with this as well. Now to get this going right over here, this is actually super quiet as well. We're just gonna hit that on right over here. These panels are gonna pop up just like that, and the air is gonna start coming out. The air is super cool, which I personally like myself. So you have a timer as well on this, and we have different modes. So to change the modes right over here, you can literally just hit that. Right now it's on AC. This is dehumidify. This is fan, and then this is that. So we always just use kind of the AC button right over here. It does have a sleep mode right over here. You could set whatever temperature you want over here. So you'll see right now it's 73, and if you wanted to go down, you're just going to keep hitting this down. I think it goes all the way down to 59. Let's see. And you just hit it down. So it doesn't go down like super quick, which I prefer. So yeah, you can go down all the way down to 59. Right over there. So I'm just going to up this real quick. So we usually keep it set on 65. Now, you also have the swing right over here. So you have that mode as well. And then this is for the fan. If you wanted to use the fan, you have these different modes as well over here. So you have like a high, a medium, and a low. Now, in terms of the dehumidifier part of it. So when you do the dehumidifier, it also comes with this hose right over here. So this is probably, if I had to guess, like 3 or 4 feet, the hose. And then what you would do, once this fills up, you're going to drain it right in here. So you're just going to pop this open, put your hose on, and get a bucket. There is no tank on this, so just note that. You're going to empty it with that hose and a bucket. And then as far as the remote goes right over here, you could do a ton with this. No batteries required. Literally just pull out the tab. This is going to be on off. So if you want to turn this off, it goes really quick as well, which I particularly like. You want to turn it on, you could do that as well. And then in terms of the fan speeds, you could adjust that. You could adjust temperature. And then this also has a timer as well. So you could set the timer if you want. Really, really like this a lot. It's a great unit. Easy to move around. This is on wheels as well. So you can easily move this around. No problem. So if you're looking for a great portable AC fan unit that could cool up to a 700 square foot room, definitely check this out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.